Let me guess, you've probably been thinking that you missed your chance to start saving and building wealth. Maybe you're in your 40s or 50s and you feel like you should have started earlier. Guess what? It's not too late. In fact, you're actually in a great position to get started right now. You have time on your side still, and you can make a difference if you know where to start and what to focus on. Today, we're going to break down how to spend and save money wisely in your 40s or 50s and get on the path to a better financial future. In this video, you'll discover the answers to the top 3 questions that Gen Xers have when it comes to building wealth later in life. Is it too late to start building wealth in your midlife? Where is the best place to start when you want to build wealth? And how can you ensure your future is secure when you're no longer working? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence and clarity to take control of your finances and start making meaningful changes. I want to start by sharing something I've seen happen again and again. Many of my clients in their 40s and 50s feel like they've missed the boat when it comes to building wealth. They think, I should have started earlier. It's too late for me to catch up. But here's the truth, okay? It's never too late to take control of your financial future. And I've seen it happen in real life. I had a client, let's call her Sarah, okay, who came to me just a few years ago. She was feeling exactly the same way, like she'd fallen behind. But today, she's on track to retire comfortably. I want to tell you how we did it. She came to me feeling defeated. She was in her 50s and in her retirement savings were nowhere near where she wanted them to be, okay? She felt like it was too late. But once we sat down and started working through her finances, we realized she wasn't as behind as she thought. Small steps made a huge difference. Now, she's in a position where she feels confident about her retirement and the stress has disappeared. I know it feels like you've missed your chance, but here's the thing. It's not too late. In fact, being in your 40s or 50s actually gives you some great advantages. You've got experience, you've hopefully learned some lessons, and you know what's important. Now it's all about putting that knowledge to work. One of the best things you could do is start where you are. Focus on what you can control, like cutting unnecessary expenses and putting more money into savings, even if it feels like small amounts. Trust me, it adds up over time, okay? The power of compound interest is still on your side. The longer you have your money working for you, the more it grows. So don't wait, start now. Okay, so where do you begin? It's all about breaking it down into manageable steps. First, create a budget. I know budgets can seem boring, but once you see where your money is going, you'll realize exactly where you can make cuts, okay? Then prioritize paying off high interest debt, things like credit cards. That's money you don't want to be wasting. Once you've got that under control, it's time to start saving, even if it's just a small amount. Start contributing to a retirement account like an RRSP or a TFSA. Every little bit helps, and the sooner you start, the better. Now let's talk about the future. You're probably wondering, how can I make sure I'll be okay when I stop working? And really, here's the answer. Define your retirement goals. How much do you want to live on each month when you retire? Do the math. Use retirement calculators to figure out how much you'll need and then create a plan for how to get there. Diversify your investment. You don't want all of your eggs in one basket. Mix it up. Stocks, bonds, real estate, whatever works best for your situation, okay? The goal is to be able to live comfortably when you stop working without stressing about money. The importance of professional help when you need it. Here's the deal. You don't have to do this alone. I know a lot of people in their 40s and 50s feel like they can handle everything on their own, but sometimes it helps to bring in an expert. A financial advisor can help you fine-tune your strategy, especially when it comes to taxes and investments. If your situation is complex or you're just feeling uncertain about the next steps, getting professional help can give you peace of mind and keep you on track. Now that you have a clear plan to build wealth and secure your financial future, the next logical step is to ensure you're on the right track. If you're ready to dive deeper into how you can fine-tune your strategies and really accelerate your wealth building journey, the next video is perfect for you. In the next video, we'll talk about how to optimize your investments for maximum growth, no matter where you are in your financial journey. If you're feeling uncertain about the next steps, or if you want to ensure you're making the most of your money, this is exactly what you need to watch. Click the link below to watch that video now and keep building the confidence you need for your future.